Hello everyone. In this lecture, I am going to discuss second chapter of software engineering, that is Agile Software Development. I am going to cover following topics. First one is the agility, means what is agility. Then second one is Agile Principles. Then politics of Agile Development. And the last one, that is the human factors. Let us start with the first topic, that is what is agility. Before that, we must know why we should follow agile methodologies. The technology in this current era is progressing faster than ever, enforcing the global software companies to work in fast-paced changing environment. Because these businesses are operating in an ever changing environment, it is impossible to gather a complete and exhaustive set of software requirements. Without these requirements, it becomes practically hard for any conventional software model to work. The conventional software model means, for example, we can consider the waterfall model that we have previously discussed in previous videos, that depends on completely specifying the requirements, designing and testing the software are not geared toward rapid software development. As a consequence, a conventional software development model fails to deliver the required product. This is where the agile software development comes to the rescue. It was specially designed to curate the needs of the rapidly changing environment by embracing the idea of incremental development and develop the actual final product. In software development, the team agile is adopted to mean the ability to respond to changes from requirements, technology and people. According to the Ever Jacobson, the agility has becomes today's buzzword when describing a modern software process. Everyone is agile. An agile team in the software process is a nimble team able to appropriately respond to changes. Change is what software development is very much about. Changes in the software built is being built, changes to the team members, changes because of the new technology, changes of all kinds that may have an impact on the product they built or the project that creates the product. Support for changes should be built in to everything we do in software, something we embrace because it is the heart and soul of software. An agile team in the software process recognizes that software is developed by individuals working in teams and that the skills of these people, their ability to collaborate, is at the core for the success of the project. Agility can be applied to any software process. An agile development approach eliminate all but the most essential work products and keep them lean, and emphasizes an incremental delivery strategy that gets working software to the customer as rapidly as feasible for the product type and operational environment. Agile development is a different way of managing software development teams and projects. Agile development is a set of umbrella activities that describes several agile methodologies. These methodologies included like Scrum, then Crystal, FDD and DSDM, that is the Dynamic Software Development Model. Now, it's very important to know what are the different types of agile methodology. So, the first one, that is the agile scrum. Similar to an assembly line approach, each team works on delivering potentially shippable increments of a software project during successive sprints, each one typically lasting 30 days. Priorities are established beforehand in a product backlog, which can include things like bug fixes, adding features, etc. Then the second one, that is a lean software development. The goal of lean development is to eliminate waste by asking users to select only the truly valuable features of the system and then work to deliver them in small batches. Emphasizes a quick go to market strategy through the concept of failing quickly to get user input as fast as possible and then reiterating. Then the third one, that is Kanban, a visual workflow management method aimed at helping teams visualize the task at hand without looking too far ahead and causing overwhelm. When something is finished, the next highest priority from the backlog is pulled into play. Then the next one, that is the extreme programming. This is the most user centric software development method where the customer works closely with the development team to define, prioritize user stories. Software is developed and tested on an iteration by iteration basic with a continuous feedback loop from the customer. Then the next one, that is the feature driven development, focuses on developing one specific feature at a time deemed most useful in the eye of the client. If a feature takes more than 2 weeks to build, it will have to be broken down into smaller projects. So, all these are the different methodologies. Also, we can have DSDM, that is the dynamic software development method, that we'll see in next slides. Before that, I'm giving some information regarding DSDM. Unlike the XP, DSDM focuses on the fitness for business purpose as a prioritized framework focusing on the useful 80% of system that can be delivered 20% of time. System requirements are planned and delivered in sprints, and all development changes must be revisable in case rework is needed. Also, we have Scrum and the Kanban are the two of the most widely used agile methods, but companies favor different methods based on their company culture, leadership, and the industry in which they operate. Now, let's have a look at the principles of agile process. So, the first principle, that is, in this methodology, the highest priority is to satisfy the customers uh, through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. Means the very important, that is what, the customer satisfaction. Then the second one, that is accept changing requirements even late in development. Agile process harness change for the customer's competitive advantage. Then the third one, that is deliver working software frequently from a couple of weeks to a couple of months with a preference to the shorter time scale. Then the next one, that is build project around motivated individuals. Give them the environment and support they need and trust them to get the job done. Then very important, that is the most efficient and effective method of conveying information to and within a development team is face to face conversation. Then the next one, that is the seventh principle, working software is the primary measure of progress. After that, the next one, that is the eighth principle, Agile Process promote sustainable development. The sponsors, developers and users should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. Then the ninth principle, that is continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhances agility. Also, the simplicity, that is the art of maximizing the amount of work not done, is essential. Then the next one, that is the at regular interval the team reflects on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. Also, it's very important that the best architectures, requirements and designs emerges from self-organizing teams. So all these are the principles of agility. Then the next agile principle is developing team and developers must work together daily throughout the project. And the last one, that is the based architectures, requirements and design emergence from self-organizing teams. Now the next topic, that is the politics of agile development. There is considerable debate about the benefits and applicability of agile software development. Like all software technology arguments, this methodology debate risks degenerating into a religious warfare. If warfare breaks out, rational thoughts, ends, and beliefs rather than facts guide decision making. No one is against agility. The real question is, what is the best way to achieve it? There are no absolute answers to either of these questions, even within the Agile school itself. There are many proposed process models, each and every with a subtly different approach to the agility problem. Within each model, there is a set of ideas that represents a significant departure from traditional software engineering. So all this is about politics of agile development. See, what are the different human factors that affect agile process? The scientists Cockburn and Highsmith said that the agile development focuses on the talents and the skills of individuals and modeling the process to specific people and teams. The process modeled to the needs of peoples and teams. The agile software project team must have the following characteristics for the software development. So the first one, that is a competence. A competence in the agile development context encompasses natural talent and specific software related skills with overall technical knowledge. Then the second one, that is the collaboration. Software development is about analyzing, assessing and using information that is communicated to the software project development team. The team members must collaborate with each other to have smooth development of team. Then the third human factor, that is the common focus. the team members may perform various tasks and bring different skills to the project. All skills should be focused on a goal, that is to deliver a working software to the customer within a given time. To achieve this goal, they have to focus on continual adaptation, which will make the requirements to fit in a process. Then the fourth one, that is the decision making ability. Fourth one, that is the decision making ability. The project team must be allowed the freedom to control its own destiny, so they can take individual decisions on various issues. Then next one, that is the self-organization. To get a number of technical benefits, the collaboration should be improved and team confidence should be boosted. The Agile project team organizes itself for the work to be done. The Agile team organizes the processes to best accommodate its local environment. The Agile team organizes the work schedule to best accomplish delivery of software increment. Then the next one, that is the mutual trust and the respect. The Agile software project team must become teamwork called Agile team. That is very important. Each and every team members should discuss with each other, and that all of them should be gelled. So that's why it is called as a gel team. Exhibits the respect and trust which is necessary to make them strongly connected. Then the last one, that is the last human factor, fuzzy problem solving ability. The Agile software project team may continuously deal with ambiguity and changes. In some situations, the Agile software project team must accept the fact that the problem they are solving today may not be the problem that needs and requirements to be solved tomorrow, but lessons learned from any problem solving activity may be of benefited to the team later in the software projects. So all these are the different human factors that affects the agility.